You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 17/5. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 51 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 15. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 17/5.